So, alright, let's start this video. I'm ready to start this video. Don't sleep on Willow, guys.
Down and I wanted to go out, put on my new dress and I got fly. So I took a little trip and I'm ready to the whip doors. Reach up to the sky, yeah, that's the type. This party, bougie.
I'm add it up, I just ate a plate for breakfast. Put it in a cup, then I mix it up with Texas. Just feeling heavy like a midget on my neck.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm trying to stick to my schedule and start uploading a little bit more and actually take YouTube serious. Yesterday was my birthday, April the 4th. I don't know when I'm gonna have this video out, but I'm gonna try and get it out by Friday. I'm gonna show you guys what I got for my birthday. Let's just get started into the video. So the first thing that I want to go into is Sephora. I actually went to Sephora with my friend, and her name is like Cute Touch on YouTube. But yeah, I actually went to Sephora and got myself some goodies. So the first thing that I picked up was this Benefit Goof Proof Brow Pencil, and this is what it looks like. The next thing that I got was this Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow Pomade in the shade dark brown. It's like clear looking, but then when you open it, you can clearly see the product in. This is what I really wanted to go to Sephora for, but I ended up picking up other things because that's what stores do. But I picked up the Duo Fenty Beauty Fenty Glow and Hustler Baby, like so. Okay, my light is way too bright, like that. Bomb Baby Mini Lip and Face Set Kilowatt Highlighter and Gloss Bomb. You guys know what this is. I'm assuming it's all over the internet. But yeah, I wanted to get it for so long, so I finally got it. And yeah, I just wanted to get this because it's just so tiny and so cute. Like, look at it, it's so cute. This lip gloss is bomb. Like, it's so freaking moisturizing, and it smells so bomb. I'm like out of frame, but this smells so bomb, and it's so moisturizing. Like, look at my lips. Highlighter looks like it's like this peach yellow undertone highlighter. It's so freaking pretty. I don't know, you guys can't really see it because of this badass lighting, but you can clearly like see it. My nose and like my inner corner, but I love it. And then because Sephora has this thing where if it's your birthday you get a free gift, I got this Glam Glow Hello Sexy. It's mad long, just look at it. This is what it looks like, and then see, like at the top it says happy birthday. No, it's just cute. So I got a mask and I got a moisturizer, and I can't wait to use these. This is what it looks like. I'm so glad that I picked this one because I always wanted to try Glam Glow, but you know, it's expensive. That's everything that I got from Sephora. The next thing that I decided to like get these shoes. from Dr. Martin. These shoes are so bomb. These boots, actually, not shoes, boots. These boots are so freaking cute. I got them in the color charcoal. So like in some lighting it will look blue, like this dark navy blue, and then in some lighting it'll just look plain black. I got this jeans jacket from a store called Mandy, and it is bomb. I love the bows. It is so adorable, and then like you have these little rips all over the jeans jacket. Then I got this blue top also from Mandy, and it's just like this. It's this ripple red blouse crop top. I think it was mad cute, so I decided to get it. And then I got these jeans. Another thing that I decided to pick up from Mandy is this top right here, this burgundy top. I thought it was hella simple and cute, screams my name out, so I got it. Next thing that I picked up, camouflage pants. Like, I love the pockets that it have. I love how they have really big pockets on the sides. It make you look like a badass, you know? The thing that I got was from my grandma. This letter with a gift card in it, and should I read the letter? I don't know. Okay, I'm gonna read the letter because I'm gonna want to look back at this. Here's to celebrating your big day. Happy birthday, Theana, on this your 20th birthday. Hope you live to see many more. Get older and wiser. 2018, love, Grandma. It was so cute. Yeah, I'm 20 years old. I know I don't look like it, but you know, it's called good melanin. With the card, she got me a gift card to Bath and Body. What? I can't speak. I got it from Bath and Body Works. She got me this, and like when you open it up, I just love how the card just comes out. I think it's cute. I don't know. I find everything cute. And another thing she got me was this little, I'll just say La Frère. I don't know if I said that right. La Frère. She got me this perfume from Juicy Couture, and when I smelled this perfume, I was just like, ah, it smells so good. It smells so freaking good. And like the packaging, oh my god, the packaging. And then when you get the perfume, like, look at it, look at the little charms. Like it says, it has the J for Juicy and then Couture, and then you have this little what do you call these again, this pen. Like, I think it was so cute. It makes you smell like roses and good stuff. I think that's like all of what I got for my birthday. I'm probably gonna get more stuff, but they're gonna come after this video, so you guys won't get to see that. Sorry about that, but I just need to get a video out. But my birthday was lit. I went out, went shopping, you know, chilled with my friends, and you know. Oh, and another thing, I got my nails done. It's like this ombre. It's like this white and pink ombre going on. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I know this haul was very, very short, but in future my hauls will get bigger. I know it will. And yeah, see you all in my next video. Bye. Oh, like, comment, subscribe, because I know half of y'all, no, more than half of y'all watch my videos and do not subscribe. Tell me about this, like, maybe I have to like come for you. Thanks guys for watching. Peace.